I will tell you the best way to reset your Windows 11 laptop or desktop. It will be a very easy process. Make sure you watch the whole tutorial. You have opened your computer, you can see your desktop and you type reset. That's the best option. Reset. You should always look for system settings and the best match should say reset this PC. And it is there in the system and recovery. Now it says choose to keep or remove your personal files and then reinstall Windows. Now I'll click on reset PC. Now it says keep my files and remove everything. Now you need to understand whether you want to store your files or if you already have a backup of all your files. You should always select remove everything. Remove all of your personal files, apps and settings. But in case if you do not have a backup of your files, like you're using a lot of applications, a lot of photographs and videos you have where you have saved it in your C drive, documents, pictures, videos, then you can select keep my files. Now I'll select remove everything because we want to get rid of viruses or junk or any sort of problems. So it is always a good thing to keep the backup of the files and do a clean reset. So I'll select remove everything. Now the moment you click on that, it says how would you like to reinstall Windows? Now if you have a connectivity of the internet, you should always go with the cloud download. Else you can go with the reinstall of local, but you should know whether your desktop or a laptop has a recovery partition or not. So if you do not know whether your laptop or a desktop has a recovery partition, a healthy partition, if you do not know, if you're not confirmed about it, then always go with the cloud download if you have an internet connection. All right. Now, if I select cloud download, it will remove apps and files. Do not clean the drive, delete all files only from Windows Drive. Delete provisioning packages from your workspace. Download and reinstall Windows. Now, cloud download can use more than 4 GB of data. Now, you need to remember it may use more than 4 GB, even twice or thrice of this. All right, because 25H2 is a very heavy. As I'm making a video on 14th of October 2025, and 25H2 has been already released and it has a size of more than 7 GB. So you should think of it, at least you should have 10 GB of data, whether it's a Wi-Fi or if you're using a mobile Wi-Fi data. So if I click on next, now it says we can't reset your PC while it's running on the battery power. So now you need to plug in the charger and turn on. So I just have done that. I'll go back and then I'll click on next. It says this won't take long. Now it will download the Windows files and you will have a very easy instructions on the screen whether you want to restart or click on next or skip. You can do it because it is really a user-friendly operating system. All right, so Whenever you feel like, if you have any corruption, any virus, and you do not use very fancy antivirus programs, fancy firewalls, you should always reset your PC after taking the backup. All right. So it's getting the things ready, and you just need to follow the instructions online, and you will be able to reset your PC. All right. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Do let me know in the comment section if you have any query, any concern, any doubt you have. I'll try my best to explain you. Have a wonderful day.